Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well and feeling great today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a rich, creamy and refreshing drink called Banana Blash, a perfect treat to cool you down and lift your spirits. Let's begin with the ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup cold milk, 3 tablespoons sugar syrup. Adjust to taste 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons fresh cream, 4 to 5 ice cubes. Now let's move on to the method. First, peel the ripe bananas and slice them into small pieces. Add the banana slices to a blender. Pour in 1 cup of cold milk. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar syrup. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Drop in 4 to 5 ice cubes. Blend everything together on high speed until the mixture is smooth, creamy and frothy. Pour the banana blash into a chilled glass. Garnish with a banana slice or a swirl of cream if desired. And that's it! Your refreshing banana blash is ready to enjoy. If you liked this recipe, dear friends, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more easy and delicious recipes. And don't forget to share it with your loved ones. Take care, stay happy, and see you again in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.